Hello, traders and truth seekers. Today we're cutting through the fog of uncertainty and diving deep into the world of indicators, those precious tools that can make or break our trading adventures. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, understanding which indicators actually work and how to use them is essential. So, sit back and get ready for a no-nonsense guide to taming the unpredictable world of trading. First things first, let's talk about the stars of the show, indicators like RSI and Bollinger Bands. These aren't just fancy names, they're the titans of trading, proven by decades of real-world testing. But, and here's the kicker, no single indicator is a magic bullet. Each one has its moment in the spotlight, depending on market conditions. So it's crucial to choose wisely and adapt to whatever the market throws at you. When it comes to trading, knowledge is truly power. This isn't just about numbers and charts. It's about the stories they tell. Dig into market data, backtest your strategies, and learn from the wins and losses of others. And if you're serious about elevating your trading game, I highly encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Let's stay informed, evolve, and tap into the collective wisdom of a thriving trading community. But before you jump into the deep end, a word of caution. Trading by its nature is risky. The goal isn't to gamble everything on one trade, but to make calculated, informed decisions over time. Remember, while the potential for profit is exciting, never risk money you can't afford to lose. The market is a powerful force, and respecting it is the first step toward success. So here's your takeaway. Use those indicators like a compass, not as a guaranteed map. Trust them, but always back up your decisions with solid research and a healthy dose of skepticism. Stay curious, keep learning, and above all, trade smart. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, trading is an art as much as it is a science. Let's harness the best tools and make those trades count. Until next time, trade responsibly and keep aiming for wiser, brighter decisions. Happy trading.